Hello students, this is Rajni Singh and welcome to my classes. Now today we start the question number 4 and exercise 1.4. Now your first question number 4 is write 5 pairs of integers a and b such that a divided b is equal to -3. One such pair is given here 6 divided -2 because when we divided 6 by -2, so we get here -3. Now here we take 5 pairs. So first pair is the value of a is -3 divided by 1. So here -3 divided 1 we get -3. This is first pair. Second is when we divided 15 divide 5, here we take -15. So -15 divided by 5, 5 3 ja 15 and the sign is minus here. So answer is -3. Third pair is we take -9 divide 3. So here -9 divide 3, 3 3 ja 9. So the answer is -3. Fourth one is we divide the value 18 divide -6. So here 18 divide -6, 6 3 ja 18. Here is 3 and here minus sign. So here -3. And the last is we divide 30 by -10. So here 30 divide -10, 10 3 ja 30. So here 3 and the sign is minus here. Now this is answers. Now coming to the question number 5. Here your question is the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Means here I plot a number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Means this is above 0 means here this is positive value, and next if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius means here the temperature is decreases, means here in every hour it decreases 2 degrees Celsius, means in 1 hour 8 degree, next 6 degrees Celsius, again 4 degrees Celsius until midnight. Midnight means 12 o'clock. At what time would temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Below 0 means value in negative. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 and here -8. Means we reached on that temperature. Here now the temperature decreases 2 degrees Celsius in 1 hour. Now temperature decreases 1 degree Celsius in 1/2 hour. Here we reach 10 degrees Celsius to -8 degrees Celsius, means here 10 minus of -8. So 10 plus 8 we get 18 here, means temperature decreases 18 degrees Celsius. So here therefore temperature decreases 18 degrees Celsius in 1/2 multiply 18. So we get 2 9 ja 18. So here we take 9 hours for decreasing 18 degree Celsius. So here total time is 12 o'clock to 9. 12 noon plus 9 hours, we get 21 hour, means 9 p.m. Next is what would be the temperature at midnight, means here the temperature at 12 noon is 10 degree Celsius and temperature decreases in 1 hour is equal to 2 degree Celsius. So here temperature decreases in, this is 1 hour and in 12 hour, because here we have 12 noon to 12 midnight, means at 12 o'clock at night we have 12 hours. So here I write 12 hours, temperature decreases, 2 multiply 12, so here 24, because temperature is decreases, so here this is the, we subtract this temperature. So the temperature at midnight is 10 minus 24, means here we have 14 degrees Celsius temperature at midnight. This is the answer.